Hello students, today we are going to do some more problems of binomial theorem. Today we are going to see the problems related to numerically greatest term or terms. In the previous classes, we did the problems of middle term and specific term, whatever it may be given, 6th, 7th, 8th, like that, etc. And also as well as we did the problems how do we find the coefficient of x power 11, x power 7. In that way we did so many problems as like that. Let us see one question. Okay, the next question is as like this. Find the numerically greatest term or terms if possible in the expansion of 4 plus 3x whole power 15 when x equal to 7 by 2. First of all, we have to take the given expansion. What is given expansion? 4 plus 3x whole power 15. Okay. What is here in this expansion? We 4 get common. What will come? Let us see. 4 get common. We can get as like this 1 plus 3x by 4 whole power 15. This can be written as 4 power 15 1 plus 3x by 4 whole power 15. Understand? Take like this. Now it is comparing with 4 as like this. First of all, consider 1 plus 3x by 4 whole power 15, this binomial. This is comparing with 1 plus x whole power n. What is n value? 15. What is x value? 3x by 4. Okay? Here, by comparing this one. Understand? Now, to find this expansion has numerically greatest term or terms, first of all, we have to find the value of n plus 1 mod x by 1 plus mod x value. This is can be taken as n 15 plus 1 modulus x. X means 3x by 4 all by 1 plus modulus 3x by 4. What is given according to the question? X equal to 7 by 2. Put here 15 plus 1 16. This 3x by 4 term already positive, no need to take modulus. So this can be 3 into x value is 7 by 2 whole by 4 by 1 plus 3 into x value 7 by 2 whole by 4. Understand? This can be taken as 16 into 3 into 7, 21 by 4 to the 8 all by 1 plus 21 by 8. Understand? 7 3 is a 21 by 2, 2 4 is a 8. So, this can be taken as 16 into 21 by 8 all by 8 LCM 8 plus 21. 8 get cancelled. What will come here? Will come as 16 into 21. Listen, 16 into 21. 21, 16. 16 to the 32 one, 33. So what will come here? This one is 336 by 21 plus 8, 29. Understand? So divide 336 by 29 ones are 29. What will come here? 13 minus 9. Okay? 4, 6. So what will come? 29 ones are 29 again. What will come? 5, 15. Okay? Now, this is 17. Okay? Now, take decimal point 0. 29. So, take whatever it may be, 29, 8 za, 8, 9, 72, 8 to the 16, 7, 232. So, take 29, 6 za, 6 9 za, 54, 6 to the 12, 5, 17. Okay? So, what will come here? 5. Enough. So, totally we can say that value will come approximately as 11.5. Okay, this is 11.5 is not an integer. This is m plus q, not an integer, not an integer. This is in the form 11 plus 0.5 in the form m plus q, not an integer, not an integer. Then what is numerically greatest term? Then m plus 1 equal to how much? M is 11 plus 1. 12th term is numerically greatest term. Numerically greatest term. Understand? Greatest term. If we get here integer, then we say that m and m plus 1th terms are numerically greatest terms. Understand? Now this is numerically greatest term. Now we are going to find 12th term. Okay? 12th term is numerically greatest term. Now we are going to find 12th term. Understand? So this is m plus 1. Then m plus 1 equals to 11 plus 1 equal to 12th term. 12th term is numerically greatest term. Now we are going to find the 12th term according to the question as like this. To find, okay, to find 12th term. Understand? Let us see how to find the 12th term. Here, use the formula. First of all, what is expansion? Expansion as 4 plus, first of all consider, okay, 4 plus 3x whole power 15. This is can be written as 4 power 15 into 1 plus 3x by 4 whole power 15. To find whatever it may be, either 12th term, 13th term, whatever it may be, this is comparing with x plus a whole power n. Here, to find whatever it may be the term comparing with x plus a whole power n. Understand? So, now we can find the term by using the formula T r plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. This is either general term or this is called r plus 1th term. We use this term to find the any specific term. Here we are going to find the 12th term. We can find this as like this. T 12 equals to, it can be written as T 11 plus 1. Okay. Now this can be NCR 15C 11. X power, what is x here? First term x is how much? 1 power. 1 power 15 minus 11. A power, what is a value here? 3x by 4 whole power r 11. Because this is T r plus 1 form. R value should be 11. This can be taken as 15C11, 1 power some value, leave it. 3 into x value is, what is given according to the question? 7 by 4 whole power 11. This can be taken as 15C11 into 21 by 8 whole power 11. Understand? Whole power 11. Now we can simplifying as like this also. We can simplifying completely as like this. Understand? So this can be written as like this. 15C11 2 power 11 by 2 cube whole power. This can be written as 15C11 21 by 2 cube whole power 11. We can write as like this. Understand? This is the way to find the numerically greatest term or terms of the given expansion. We can take them as like this. One more important thing here, this term has some coefficient as like this, 4 power 15. This term has like this, 4 power 15. So like this, 4 power 15 also there here. So this term has some coefficient as like this. We have compared this one only, but it has some coefficient 4 power 15. That can be taken as like this. 4 power 15 can be written as 2 square. this is can be written as 4 power 15 can be written as 2 square whole power 15, or this can be written as 2 power 30. 4 power 15 can be written as 2 square whole power 15, 2 power 30. This is can be written as 2 power 30 into 15C11, 21 power. This can be written as 21 power 11 by 2 cube whole power 11, 2 power 33. So, these two terms take together 2 power 30, 2 power 33. What will come here? T12 equal to 15C11, 21 power 11, 2 power 3, because 2 power 33 can be written as 2 power 30 into 3. So, it means as like this. We can write one more step as like this. 2 power 30 into 15C11, 21 power 11 by 2 power 30 into 2 power 3. Equal bases, adding the powers. We can add the powers as like that. Understand? So, then what is get cancelled? 30 and 30 get cancelled. Therefore, it will come as T12 equal to 15C11, 21 power 11 by 2 cube. 15C11, 21 power 11 all by 2 cube. This is the way to find the numerically greatest term or terms in the expansion. Actually, when we have to find the specific term, either 12th term, 15th, 14th, whatever it may be there, actually this is the given expansion. 4 plus 3x whole power 15. This is what is get common? 4 power 15. 1 plus 3x by 15. This binomial we have compared with x plus a whole power n. Use this formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. With this binomial, when we have to comparing this x plus a whole power n, it has some coefficient 4 power 15 also. We have to write this also 4 power 15. This can be written as 4 power 15 is 2 square whole power 15. Now, this is simplification. What is given here? Extra value. X equal to how much given? 7 by 2. Put here 7 by 2. Whole by 4. Whole power 11. This is 21 by 2 into 4. 21 by 8. Next, 2 power 2 whole power 15. How much will come? 2 power 30 into 15 C11, 21 by 2 cube power 13. Listen, 2 power 30, 15 C11. This is separate the numerator and denominator. So, it will come 21 power 11, 2 cube whole power 11, 2 power 33. 2 power 33 can be written as 2 power 30 into 2 power 3. Okay? 2 power 30, 2 power 30 get cancelled. So, what will come here? 15C11, 2 power 11 by 2 cube. This is our required result of numerically greatest term of this given expansion 3 power 4 plus 3 plus 4x. Understand? So, we can do like this. the problems of numerically greatest term or terms. The remaining problems we should do in the next class. Understand?